MetGo is your new paratransit fare system. Just tap your MetGo PAL ID card or scan the MetGo app on the card reader. Show your card to the bus operator and you're good to go. Once you have your MetGo PAL card, you can load funds onto your card through the MetGo website, at a station vending machine, select retail locations, or visit us at our downtown Metro Transportation Center. Enjoy all the same paratransit services you're used to with the new MetGo PAL card. Here is MetGo in action. The card reader has both audio and visual signals that provide details about your account balance. That signal means your MetGo card is valid and you're good to go. That signal means you may not have a valid pass or need to add funds to your account. That signal means your pass has already been used for this ride and can't be used again. Remember, each rider, including companion riders, need their own account or active card. That signal means you're low on funds. That signal means you need to show photo ID. Once you have your MetGo card ready, you're good to go and ready to ride nice.